Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make these vegan fried bakes. With this coronavirus going around right now, many people are home baking and making their own bread and different things. So I decided I will do a bunch of recipes, my previous recipes, making them vegan this time, starting with my popular recipe, fried bakes. So here we go. In my mixing bowl, I already have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, I'm going to quickly mix these ingredients together. I'm going to add some coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. It's really supposed to be 2, but I just wanted to add extra moisture to my fried bakes. So I decided to use 3 tablespoons of coconut oil instead of 2. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. So I'm mixing in the coconut oil with the dry ingredients. And then I'm just going to use some water, lukewarm water, to combine everything together. I'm using half cup of lukewarm water to combine all the ingredients together to make it. I'm going to use my hands now. Perfect tool when you're cooking, baby. It looks a bit rough, but never mind. When I need it again, it's going to be nice and smooth. So I'm going to cover it with a damp paper towel, right, and allow it to rest for about 10 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to knead the dough again. Okay, I may have missed a step, but after allowing the dough to rest for about 10 minutes, I kneaded it again and it was nice and smooth, and then I separated it into small pieces like this. I'm just basically forming them into a bowl. Set them aside. I got about 6 bowls with this recipe. And then my next step is basically to flatten them out. So next step, you could use a rolling pin for this, but I'm going to use my hand this time. I'll just put it in my hand and just spread out each ball like this. Flatten it out with the palm of my hand, like here. And just flatten it out. Again, you can use a rolling pin for this. So I'm going to do this with the rest of balls. So here they are. So what I'm going to do, I like to let it rest for like about 5-10 minutes as well. So what I'm going to do, I am going to put the pot on the stove, put the oil, let that hot nicely. So while that is heating up, the dough would have a chance to rest a bit. So I'll be back. Okay, so here's my pot on the stove. As you can see, I already started the process. I have a generous amount of oil in my pot, and I allowed it to get nice and hot. My fire is at medium heat right now, right? And this first fry bake is almost done. Right, you leave the fire at medium heat, because if you leave it too high, the outside will get brown and the inside will be uncooked. Alright, so this one is almost done. Let me just put another one while that is doing some more cooking. It dropped to the bottom of the pot. Let that fry up nicely. And I think I'll take all this one out. Put it on a plate, line it up with the towel. fry bake I'm going to have for breakfast. My dilemma is what I'm going to put inside the bake. So you could use like, it's still nice and hot. You could use like maybe butter, anything that you want to make, tomato choker, avocado, right? But I think I'll just use a slice of cheese and I will happy with that. Okay folks, here's my fry bake with a slice of cheese that I'm going to indulge in right now. Yeah, I hope you guys are doing well and that you enjoyed this video and you're safe. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Thanks so much for your support. Thanks so much for watching my video. I appreciate you all. I love you all. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.